Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be cutting a princess dart bustier, and the measurement we'll be using is the bust is 40, the under bust from shoulder to nipple is 11, then nipple from shoulder to under bust we'll be using 14.5, and our half length will be 17. Then I added 1 inch for seam allowance. So first start with the bust span measurement, that is the nipple to nipple, and nipple to nipple is 8.5. I'm going to add half an inch to it, which is 9. That will be dividing it by 2. I'm having 4.5, and I will take it down. I will roll it down. From the under bust, I'm going to subtract. Let me label it. This is the nipple point. This is the under bust. This is the hemline, and this is the sewing allowance. So from the under bust, I will come in by half an inch. I'll do the same to the hemline. Roll it down. Then if you notice, I mark 4 inches here. Our handhole measurement, I'm using 9 because it's a busty somebody. Our bust is 40. I'm dividing it by 6 plus 1.5 inches to give you this. Then I'll mark the middle of it, 4.5. Then I'll come in by half an inch. Use my ruler. Like this. I'll come down to the under bust. I'll go in by 2 inches. I'll do the same to the hemline, and I'll roll it down. I'm going to connect my bust span line to this 4.5 inches here. You can use a free hand. This way. So to get I don't want here to be too much, so I'm going to reduce half an inch there, but to make it easy, I'll take the upper bust measurement, which is 6 inches. I'll mark my cheese 6 inches down. I'll roll it. From this line I roll, I'll go in by half an inch. It's optional, you can go by 2, but I'm taking half an inch here. So from this half an inch, I'm going to use my front curve, and I'll connect it. From these 2 inches I went in from that under bust, I'll connect it to my bust line, which is 4. Remember, I came in by half an inch, so I'll still have to roll it to my bust line, so it will give it this shape. Then from here, I use my front curve So from here I'm going to connect this my 1.5 inch I went in from my upper bust measurement. Connect it this way. From here you see that I've gotten the shape of my princess cut. Just trying to blend it. So from here I will go up by 1.5 because I don't want my fabric to be short. So this one just like adding allowance to it. So from this 1.5 inch, if you like, I can go up by 2 inches. Optional. You can go up by 2 inches. It's optional. Then you use your ruler to connect it this way. So what I will do now, I'm going to take my body measurement. It's optional. Some people do come up here by 1 inch or half, just to give your shape, give it a shape. Take my body measurement. Remember I said the bust measurement is 40. So 40 divided by 4, you have 10 inches. So 10 inches. Now remember, from this one I just like this one is standing alone now, so I'm going to minus this 4 inches I took here. I mean this 4.5 inches I took here. I'm going to minus it from my 10. So we're having 5.5. So from this place, this line, you take 5.5 like this, then you add 2.5 seam allowance to it this way, and our under bust measurement is 33. Our under bust is 32. I'm going to divide it by 4 and I will have 8. But remember, I subtracted half an inch from this 4.5 we earlier marked, so I'm left with 4. So I'm going to minus this 4 from the 8 and I'll be left with 4. So I'll come in here and I'll mark my 4 inches. It's just like you taking away these 3. Same thing as you marking the 8 inches and subtracting these 4 inches that is there. Like I said, bust measurement is 30. Under bust measurement is 32. So you are dividing it by 4 and you have 8. So I'm going to subtract these 3 inches. But it's in the same thing as you subtracting these 4 that we marked here earlier. Then introduce the remaining 4 inches. This way, then you add 2.5 seam allowance to it. Then you come to the waistline. Our waistline is 33, so I'm dividing it by 4. Then you have 8.25. So from that 8.25 you take away same this 4 again, then you have 4.25. Then I'll add my 2.5 seam allowance to it. Then I'll connect all my lines together. You can use freehand this way. So you see that at the end of the day, blend with, just trying to. So this is what we have. So I'm going to cut it out now. First, cut this one out. I didn't take away I didn't mark my neckline. It's going to determine when I join it, I'll know the type of neck I'm going to do for it. But this place too is still optional. You can decide to bring out your armhole, or you can still leave it. When you are done joining, you can mark it out this way. So I'll cut this place out first. To notch my nipple points, notch it, that I'll not get confused if I'm joining it. I'll do the same to the middle part of it. I'll notch my nipple points.